Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we will be able to make a Gamepass in Roblox. It's something really simple, in quotation marks, but it's still pretty easy to do. In my case, I'm not going to do it on an iPad, I'm going to do it on a Samsung Tab S8, but it's basically the same procedure, and what we're going to have to do is the following. In this case, we will not make use of the Roblox application itself, but instead, we're going to use the web version. For example, in my case, I'm using Samsung's internet browser. You can do it on Safari, you can do it on Chrome, or whichever browser you normally use. In my case, I'll use this one here, and I'm going to do it inside this browser. What we're going to have to do is go to the Create section. And here it opens up this whole section where we can start creating different types of content for our server inside Roblox. Now, once we're here, what do we have to do? We'll have to go to Creations, click on Creations, and here we'll see our experiences. What you're going to have to do is choose which game or server you want to add the Gamepass to. In this case, I'm going to choose this one right here. And here we have several options we can use. We have this section here where we'll find all the settings and other options. And this is where we'll need to create this type of pass. We'll find within this section that under monetization, we have Overview, Developer Products, and Passes. We won't have anything else related to game passes. Now, within the passes section, we're going to click Create a Pass. Click here, and now we'll have to enter the name, for example, Pass 1. We write Pass 1, leave it that way, add whatever description we want, and then simply click Create a Pass. That way, we now have our pass successfully created. Of course, this will depend on us. We'll be able to modify it a bit more or a bit less as needed. And if you have a good setup, you'll even be able to earn Robux through it. In this case, I don't have that option available, but you can do it if you have a server with a pretty good or popular game.